girl living in my Bobbi world. I'm a Bobbi girl living in my Bobbi world.
Hey y'all, it's Kenny here and I'm back with another video. If you are new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you are returning, hey y'all. And don't forget to hit that notifications button so you know when I dropped another video. So y'all, I picked up a wig from Elevate Styles and I am so excited to show y'all. She is a new baby, brand new out the box. So if you're interested, make sure you keep on watching. So y'all, needless to say, this wig was not what I thought it was when I ordered it. I thought we was gonna have a natural hairline going on, which I don't know if you guys can see, but that's a no. That's a no. And then we can fix the part, which is cool, but y'all look at how much lace. Like, all I'm thinking about is women that are suffering from hair loss or alopecia and how hard that is going to be on the sides to cover up. We gonna get her all the way together. I just am disappointed off jump on how this is looking and what it's giving right now. this unit in the style MLF539 ILISHA. I hope I'm saying that right. And I got it in the color 1B, 4, and 30. Y'all, the color is saving this unit at this point. It says it has advanced protection, 5-inch deep lace part, HD transparent lace, and natural baby hair. No to the HD lace and no to the natural baby hair. Y'all saw that we had to finesse the out of this hairline. You could have pulled out your natural baby hair and finessed it that way, but I don't particularly like that, and plus my forehead is big and I like to kind of camouflage that from time to time. So needless to say, I was not happy with how the hairline was looking or the baby hairs right out of the box. Y'all saw the lace, I showed you all up close and personal, and it was just nothing to rave about. You do get the 5 inches of parting space as y'all see, and it looks really, really good. If you are a middle part person, this is perfect for you. As far as cap size, you guys, I do not believe that this is big head friendly. If you have a larger size head, I believe that it's going to be quite snug on your head. I have a 21-inch head, you guys, and when I initially put it on, it was already snug, and so I tightened it a little bit, and it was even tighter. So I will say this is more so for a small to medium size head. Now the hair texture is giving me like fresh perm, new rod set with a little bit of yaki. I mean, it feels really, really good, you guys. It feels like natural hair, and I really love that about this hair. Also, I went in with the Ebin New York Natural 24-Hour Foaming Lotion, you guys. I don't know if you guys saw how the curls was kind of like getting loose and was really kind of messing up the pattern of the wig. But I put some of this on there, you guys, and it just made the curls kind of bounce right back into place. So I really like that about this wig. As far as tangling and shedding, you guys, I didn't get much at all. It wasn't until I added like the Ebin lotion that kind of made it a little bit more on the crunchy side, and then you got the snag. But other than that, you guys, this hair was super, super soft. Lastly, y'all, the price point. I paid $40.99 for this wig, and do I think that it's worth $40.99? No, ma'am. I feel like this is more like in the $30 range, just because you don't get a lot for your money. You don't get much lace, you don't get much of the natural hairline, you barely get baby hairs, you know, you only can part it in one spot. And when you're paying $40.99, you want to make sure that you have some type of versatility with the wig, and I don't feel like it was versatile at all. So on a scale from 1 to 10, you guys, I would probably give this wig probably about a 6.5, 7, just because we had to do so much finessing with this wig in order to make it work. Now, if you're looking for this type of look, then the price point and everything is perfect. Overall, you guys, I do love the way she turned out. She looks super, super cute. She is giving me like this glam sort of look, and she's glam on a budget, and y'all know I'm here for that. So I hope you enjoyed this look, you guys. I hope it was helpful for you all that was looking for this wig and kind of wanted to know whether you wanted to buy it or not. I love you guys so much. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Later.